Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to give myself a manicure. Okay, I was trying to decide what color I was going to put on. Then I'm going to rock the blue nails for a couple weeks. These are the Color FX Impress by Kiss. And I always get the short. See the S on the box. I can wear the medium too, but I like the short the best. So, let me show y'all how they come. I already cut my nails. They were too long for these. Okay, these come with how many nails? Enough nails to do. They come with 30 nails. I don't need any glue because it has the sticky tab already on the nail. So I just pull the sticky tab off, place it on my nail. But first, and it comes with this little, it's called an orange stick, but it ain't orange, and an alcohol wipe, and a little bitty nail file on this card that be back here. This is how they come, packaged up. So you open them. So I'm gonna lower this camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's a different angle. So I got this Glamour Matte. When I do my nails, I always use this when I'm polishing my nails or putting on fake nails. Here's my file. So what I'm going to do now is size up the nails. I have to match up the nails that match my size. So really that's the hardest part about doing these nails, matching up your size. And I'd rather go a little too small than too wide. Okay, I'm going to do this and I'll be right back. Okay, I have all my nails matched out. Y'all can't see. Right there. One hand and then the other hand. So I'm going to clean my fingernails with an alcohol pad. I didn't use the one that was in the box, and I boxed these back up so I can do another manicure or two. Just put lotion on my hands, so I'm cleaning the residue, greasy residue off of my nails so the nails will stick. Let them dry for a second. That's what I'm doing, letting them dry. Okay, I'm gonna start with my baby finger. So what I do is, there's a glue tab on here that you pull off, and this is the end that goes towards your cuticle. Pull it off. Line it up before you press it. Make sure it's straight. That wasn't straight. Okay. It looks good. And then press. They're pretty. So I'm going to do the other hand, the baby finger. Pull off this plastic tab. Line it up. Kind of push the nail kind of under the cuticle if you can. Make sure it's straight and press. Okay, up to the ring finger. Take the tab off. And mash it down. Take this tab off with the other hand. That's good. So I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my nails, and I'll be back. Okay, I just did both hands. A full, gorgeous manicure for under $10. Okay? Didn't have to wait in no line. I didn't have to sit in the chair waiting for folks. I did it myself. And this is the length that I choose to wear. This works for me. See how it looks from the side. That's how it looks from this side. I cut my nails down. So these are on here. I can wash my hair with them on. I usually wear them for 2 or 3 weeks, and they stay on. I have no problem. So. And I've tried the nails with the rhinestones and all them designs. That's not me. You know, I like bling on my clothes, but not on my nails. Okay. So once again, this is the color FX by Impress. Nails. It's called the No Glue Mani. And they need no glue. And when I take them off, I can just use the end of that little wooden stick they put in here and prise it up. It'll pop right off. It'll pop right off. You got to be soaking no nails. They'll come off. But I don't have to worry about them coming off unless I want them to come off. So, and I have to keep my hands out of water for at least an hour right now. So, I think this is gorgeous. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you've ever tried the No Glue Mani. Okay? They have another brand out there that you don't need glue. I haven't tried it, but this is by Kiss, and it's called Color FX by Impress. So if the word is Impress on the box, then those are the right ones to get. And these are under $10. I got these particular nails from Walmart. I think they were $7.95 or something like that. And you can also get them from Amazon. I put the Amazon link. So I'm through for now, y'all. Bye. Let me know what you think about these nails.